Hello and welcome to Government with Dr. Turner. Today we're going to talk about immigration and citizenship. Здравствуйте. Меня зовут Артур Иванович Turner. Я изучали русский язык в Санкт-Петербурге, но мне трудно говорить по-русски. People who live in democratic countries like the United States are usually called citizens. This is compared to authoritarian countries where citizens are often referred to as subjects. Citizenship is more than just living somewhere. It is a precise legal status. Our Constitution specifies rights and obligations for citizens. The Constitution also describes who is a citizen and how a non-citizen can acquire citizenship. Most Americans become citizens at birth. It can actually happen two different ways. Birthright citizenship means that individuals born in the United States are American citizens, even if their parents are not. This follows the principle of jus soli. Jus soli is Latin, which means the right of the soil. Jus soli is a New World concept. In other words, it is rare to find in other places outside of the United States. In Europe, Asia, and other parts of the world, citizenship was primarily passed through bloodlines and ancestry. To be a citizen, you had to be a child of citizens. You were German, French, Italian, or Spanish based on your family roots. America was unique in that there were no old bloodlines ruling the land, at least from the European point of view. Sorry, Native Americans. If you were born outside of America to American parents, you were also an American citizen. This follows the principle of jus sanguinis, the right by blood. Most Old World countries followed this principle in which people are bonded through ancestry. This is actually the basis for my citizenship. My father was serving in the army, and my parents were stationed overseas in Germany when I was born. If someone is not a citizen by birth, either through jus soli or jus sanguinis, the only alternative is to apply for citizenship through naturalization. Legal immigrants on permanent resident visas may be eligible to apply for citizenship through naturalization. Normally, one must be on a permanent resident visa for 3 to 5 years before applying for naturalization. Individuals who come to the United States seeking asylum are known as refugees. Refugees may become permanent residents after living here continuously for 1 year. Since refugee status can speed up the normal naturalization process, many undocumented immigrants seek to gain refugee status when they first arrive in the United States. Legal visitors, foreign government officials, students, and others are expected to return to their home countries. Undocumented immigrants are often unable to qualify for legal status. Many act like citizens, even paying taxes. Undocumented immigrants can place burdens on communities without the funds to provide services, but in some places they actually provide an economic benefit. Immigrants enjoy some rights like due process and protection from discrimination. However, they cannot vote in national elections or decide to live here permanently without permission. Legal immigrants are subject to the decisions of the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or the USCIS. So let's review. Citizenship is a precise legal status. One can become an American citizen by birth or through naturalization. Legal immigrants have some of the rights of citizenship, but not all.